Display size. Apple iPhone 15 is 6.1 inches. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 6.8 inches. Display resolution. Apple iPhone 15 is 1179 into 2556 pixels, with 461 ppi density. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 1260 into 2844 pixels, with 460 ppi density. Display type. Apple iPhone 15 is Super Retina XDR OLED. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is LTPO OLED. Display protector. Apple iPhone 15 is Ceramic Shield Glass. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is Kunlun Glass 2. Operating system. Apple iPhone 15 is iOS 17, upgradable to iOS 17.5.1. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is EMUI 14.2, international. Chipset. Apple iPhone 15 is Apple A16 Bionic. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is Kirin 9010. Processor. Apple iPhone 15 is Hexacore processor. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is Octa-core processor. GPU. Apple iPhone 15 is Apple GPU. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is Maloon 910. RAM. Apple iPhone 15 is 6 GB. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 12 GB. ROM. Apple iPhone 15 is 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. Front camera. Apple iPhone 15 is 12MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 13MP wide-angle camera, with HDR video recordings. Back camera. Apple iPhone 15 is 48MP wide and 12MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 50MP wide, 48MP telephoto, and 12.5MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Connectivity. Apple iPhone 15 is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, CDMA 2000, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Apple iPhone 15 is 3,349 mAh battery, with 15W fast charging. Huawei Pura 70 Pro is 5,050 mAh battery, with 100W fast charging. Spec winner.